Brown's Folly, later Craig. Thing is, we gotta go through to make some videos for the YouTube. Look at this. Where am I even trying to get to, fam? Some rock in the distance. So this video is teaching you how to go from barely being able to do a 7A to being able to master a 7C and aim for AA, all in the space of about a month, my friends.
Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I've nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her.
That's alright. So these two today, yeah?
To whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh,
in order to be able to climb a 7C, first you've got to be able to be quite comfortable in building a pyramid of doing several easier climbs up to about the 7A range, and then moving on through this volume and intensity on a periodized program of experience and learning how to position your body in the right way and trusting yourself.
she calls out to the man on the street.
Oh, yeah, releasing the toe is hard.
She's been crying. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet.
Nah, I think there's lots of different ways to do it, to be honest. You just gotta find your body position and then find what fits you comfortably. Because obviously the guy I was looking at in the video, he's like
big as well, yeah.
He's like quite lanky, he's like long. Yeah, so
very good foot technique.
Twice.
Here I'm testing every single move of the full extension of the full line using a very physical cut loose method, which is roughly 7C in difficulty, just that one move I'd say. And the entire line weighs in, at least in my opinion, AA to AA plus.
Oh no!
Depending on the beta you use and how effective you are applying this.
Oh no! Carrying on.
Is there nothing more anybody can do? Oh Lord, there must be something you can say.
Oh no, I didn't get that properly. Yeah, I think I'll have one more longer rest. If I have another attempt like that, I might be pumped out.
Probably been moved on from every place.
Come on.
'Cause she didn't fit in there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice.
Very good.
Yeah, I'll do that. This guy's been licking up the holes. Man, that took a lot out of me, man. I think I've only got that one attempt like that left in me.
Think about. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Just think about it.
Comfortably done every move. Because I've comfortably done every move, I know I could do this climb. I've done every move comfortably several times over.
Paradise.
Right, having gone away and done a bit of introspective thought and thinking towards what's actually required to push the grades and master each individual move on this piece of rock that's presented in front of us, I've come through with a squad to experiment on different betas and positions based on each person's own individual straps. Now this session we're going to be trying the 7C in more detail, as you can see me sampling the moves here.
Gonna be cameraman.
Hey!
Yes, Joshy, come on. That's it, squeeze. Oh,
That's it. That's you, man.
yeah, come on.
One more time. Come on. Yeah.
Yes.
Got it.
7-8.
No, the 7C.
It's not much harder.
The same thing, to be honest.
Yeah, man, soldier of Jah rise up.
Very good. Come on.
Come on.
Yes.
Why you just do it? You should have finished
but
it.
I'll take yours too. You'll fire your musket, but I'll run you through. So when you're waiting for the next attacks, you'd better stand, there's no turning back. The Bible sounds, the charge begins, but on this battlefield no one wins. The smell of acrid smoke and horse's breath, as I plunge on into certain this. Ride on, soldier, ride with your light, through the fire and through the fight. Roots and courage, your spirit strong.
Oh, man.
The Aussie sweat with fear, we break to run. The mighty roar of the Russian gun. And as we race towards the human wall, the screams of pain as make comrades fire. We are the bodies that lay on the ground, and the Russians fire another round. We get so near yet so far away. We won't live to fight another day. We get so close, near enough to fight. When a Russian gets me in his sights, he pulls the trigger and I feel the blow. Boom, but Jack keep me so. Stand strong, soldier, ride through the flame. No fear, no shame. Rastafari, chant your name. Yeah, man, chant again.
Nah, nothing left.
Right, the previous effort definitely felt about AA level, but regardless, that session was cut short so that we could carry on
paid you some
exploring
money.
the
Would you
woods,
spend the night in there?
which I'll show in another video in the future. Carrying on and keeping your eyes on the perspective and the game.
Right, hello my respective audience. So we're back on the project today. Gonna basically see if it's possible. Should have basically done it last session, except I got a bit sidetracked with my beta and I dropped the end bit. So hopefully, inshallah, should be possible today in these woods near Bath with a mythical presence apparently. But as long as you just count your blessings and focus on the reward in your actions, you'll attain the results you need to manifest your greatness within yourself. So that's going to be our objective.
Yeah, like
In it, boys. Our little squad.
Yeah, man, soldier of Jah rise up.
Oh, yeah, that's what I thought might happen.
You'll take my life, but I'll take yours too. You'll fire your musket, but I'll run you through. So when you're waiting for the next attacks, you better stand, there's no turning.
Ripping a split in my fingertips on this extremely difficult cut loose was not ideal, and this thwarted my plans significantly with beta change.
Smoke and horse's breath, as I plunge on into certain this. Ride on, soldier, ride with your light,
Yes, come on.
through the fire and through the fight. Roots and courage, our spirit strong.
Oh no. I'm not gonna carry on. Oh, freaking hell, bro.
The Aussie sweats with fear, we break to run. The mighty roar of the Russian gun.
That would have been sick.
And as we race towards a human wall, the screams of pain as make comrades fire. We are the bodies that lay on the ground. And fire, no fire! We get so near yet so far away. We won't live to fight another day. We get so close, near enough to fight. When a Russian gets me in his sights, he pulls the trigger and I feel the blow. Boom, but Jack keep me so. Stand strong, soldier, right through the flame. No fear, no shame.
One more, come on.
Star warrior, chant your name. Yeah, man, chant again.
Didn't adjust the left hand. Yeah, lucky.
Come on. I'm done.
Come on. Nice, come on. Nice.
Come on.
Yes, come
Yes.
on. Come on. Nice thing, Tony. You got it. Yeah. Nice.
Well done, bro.
Easy. Okay, if you're gonna shut up.
Yeah. You did it. First and
So I'll go down the hill.
Right, my respective audience, so we've come to the conclusion of today, and yeah, it was amazing. Like, just, you know, when you spend multiple sessions on climbs, which is accessible rock to where I live, so in terms of distance, it's not too bad. So when you have accessible rock, you can really try and train each movement pattern to your best of your ability, and it really takes you to another level because you can really refine the way you move. And especially on these climbs here that are quite a lot of moves, you could improve on each individual attempt. But in the second attempt of today, I ripped this massive split on the same finger that opened up back when I was in Magic Wood, which was a few weeks ago at least. So it's obviously made things a lot harder. I mean, this finger started bleeding too, which made things, I could still do it, but it was much harder. But the positive thing is that the cut loose method kind of meant that I could explore another option that didn't require cutting loose, which in my opinion definitely drops the climb a grade below because your weight is completely off your fingers in a way. So it makes it much more elegant but less physical and powerful. So it just changes the style, but at the same time it makes the climb more friendly to climb. So in a way we will improve on that climb and then eventually be able to do it. It was great to see Yuri, my brother from Ukraine, who managed to do his first 7C. Monumental effort, to be honest, to be climbing a few years and getting to that grade. So that's something that with the adequate amount of training and the right mindset and the opportunity to improve and the right programming in your training, you could always improve in. So that's something that you'd like to explore, then obviously I could help you as well in the same way. So let's try and see if we could improve together. But hopefully I'll be able to send that climb next time. I'll just need to manage my skin a bit better, because once you have a hole in your thing, it takes a tiny fraction little dry fire and from the tape on these small little slots and pockets for you to ping off. So that's something that you have to think about. So it makes it harder to hit your maximal level. But at the same time, you've got to be grateful that you're able to climb, because the rest of your fingers are fine. It just makes the process a bit more uncomfortable. But overall, long term, that process of uncomfortability allows you to improve far more so when the conditions and the comfortability is in your favor and in your regard. So remain positive and upbeat in those scenarios, and don't get too carried away about these things, and just all carry on improving and make the most of the journey, because you've made it out on the rock. It's important to carry on. Don't let small things deter you or try and get a negative state of mind. Improvement isn't trying, and when you're trying, you're improving, and that's allowing your soul to elevate itself to another level through your physical and technical prowess. So thank you for watching, and let's carry on next time.